It's just past 7 o'clock here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to do a 4-box Chronicle break. Chronicles baseball first, and then we do Chronicles basketball, fresh case, ending on the bay now. But we did pick this one, which is the 3s. There's a faded 3. You can barely see it. And then there's a 1 on this one, apparently. I never knew Toby did that until yesterday, so... He must have just started doing that. So, anyways, Chronicles basketball ending on the bay next, and then we have limited football, Revolution basketball, and XR football. So, just a few breaks usually on Sunday nights. We try to keep it light before everyone goes back to work. Nice, chill, relaxing couple of breaks to get in there. Anyways, good luck to you all, and to all of you, good luck. Let's boom it out tonight. Let's get some boomers. Boomer Sisons. Alright. Alright, Dallas Keuchel Prism. Out of $4.99, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. Frazier and Donaldson. Slotch. Out of $9.99 for the Seattle Mariners, Felix Hernandez. Jorge Alfaro. Gold out of 99, Hunter Dozier for the Royals. Press proof gold, Hunter Dozier. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, gold standard jersey auto out of $1.99, Tyler Glasnow. Tyler Glasnow out of $1.99 for the Pirates. Gold standard jersey auto. Uh-oh. Redemption. Who's got Contenders rookie ticket number 28, Orlando Arcia, the Milwaukee Brewers. Orlando Arcia. I always think it's going to be either Bellinger or Judge. I always forget about him. For the Padres, Chronicles auto of Hunter Renfroe. Hawks just ended in Chronicles basketball. Hawks just ended. We're on the Celtics, ending now. Francisco Lindor Prism. Out of $1.99, Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. Pittsburgh. Alex Rodriguez for the Seattle Mariners jersey swatch out of $4.99. Alex Rodriguez. Out of 4.99. All right, TJ Rivera out of 3.99. Luis Castillo for the Reds. One second. Hornets, Bulls, Cavs. Ending now. Hornets, Bulls, and Cavs. Out of 9.99, Miguel Sano. Gamble, Rizzo. Nolan Arenado, Prism. Out of 2.99, Derek Fisher for the Astros. Teal. Elvis Andrews. And Dan Vogelbach. Out of 3.99, Salvador Perez for the Royals. And base. Bulls, Cavs, Mavericks, ending now. Bulls, Cavs, and Mavericks, ending now. For the White Sox, Carson Fulmer, jersey, patch jersey. For the White Sox, Carson Fulmer, out of 149. Patchy patch, patch patch. Jordan Montgomery. Out of 4.99, Anthony Alford for the Blue Jays. One second. I swore I saw something different. Oh, okay. I got it. Oh, wow, nice. Out of 2.99, Edgar Martinez. Jersey auto for the Mariners. Seattle Star sales in uncharted area. For the Mariners, Edgar. Rio Ruiz for the Atlanta Braves. Don Russ auto. Rio Ruiz. Got to get him every case. He is a guarantee lock. I mean, Senzatella. Mavericks ending? Yeah, Mavericks are ending now, I think. Mavericks, Dallas, Detroit, and Denver. Ending now. Mookie Betts, Prism. Out of 99, Adam Engel for the White Sox. Titanic Homer sinks rival. The Rivals. Slotch. Adam Engel again, this time out of $2.99 for the White Sox. Old Adam Engel. Denver, Detroit, Golden State. Ending now. Yadier Molina out of $1.99 for the Cardinals. Slotch. Out of $9.99, Mike Moustakas for the Royals. Pistons, Warriors, ending now. Scherzer, Prism. Shimmer Shiny Buster Posey for the Giants, out of $1.99. Kershaw and Griffey. For the Yankees, out of $2.69, Mickey Mantle, Gold Standard, out of $2.69, Mickey Mantle. Maxwell. Pirates. Josh Bell, rookie ticket auto for the Pirates. Joshua Bell, rookie ticket auto for the Pirates. And last pack up, box 2. Trout, Kershaw Prism. Out of $9.99, Chris Sale for the Red Sox. And base. Alright, 2 down, 2 to go. Rockets, Pacers, ending now. Rockets and Pacers. For the Toronto Blue Jays, out of 99, Aaron Sanchez, blue autographed. Aaron Sanchez, out of 99. For the Blue Jays. Rockets, Pacers, Clippers, and Lakers. Prism of Mitch Haniger. Out of $2.99 for the Tigers, Jacoby Jones. For the Red Sox, jersey swatch out of $4.99 of Andrew Benintendi, making history against familiar foe. Andrew Benintendi jersey swatch. Andrew Benintendi Prism. Pacers, Clippers, Lakers, ending now. Francisco Lindor Prism. Teal, Eric Thames for the Milwaukee Brewers. That's out of $2.99. For the Rockies, out of $1.99, Ramil Tapia. Out of $1.99, rated rookie, Ramil Tapia. Here's a slotched too. Slotched. Out of 999, Dexter Fowler for the Cardinals. Clippers and Lakers ending now. There's our designated Oakland Athletic auto. Chad Pinder for the Oakland Athletics. Absolute power pays off absolutely. Marco Hernandez. Jorge Bonifacio out of 199 for the Royals. Dude, I mean, we got 2 slotches. Slotch. Out of 999, Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Lakers ending now in Chronicles. Lakers ending now. For the Minnesota Twins, Adalberto Mejia. Chronicles auto for the Twins, Adalberto Mejia. Out of not $3.99, Bartolo Colon for the Twins. Memphis, Miami, Minnesota, Milwaukee ending now. Eric Gonzalez. Press proof. Oh, 3 of 5. Wow. 3 of 5. Dan Vogelback for the Seattle Mariners. Press proof. 3 of 5. Sure. 3 of 5 for the Mariners. Memphis just ended. We're on the Heat. The Heat, the Bucks, and the Timberwolves. For the Pirates, out of 99, newly minted Tyler Glasnow jersey swatch. Out of 99, jersey swatch of Tyler Glasnow. Andrew Tolles. Riddle me this out of 199 for the Miami Marlins. JT Riddle. It's going to be a slotch. Slotchy slotch. Out of $9.99. Yeah, Lorenzo Cain for the Royals out of $9.99. For the Dodgers, out of 269, Jacob Turner, gold standard style for the Dodgers, Jacob Turner. Dallas Keuchel, Prism. For the Tampa Bay Rays, Jose De Leon. Rookie ticket auto for the Rays. Jose De Leon. Joe Mauer out of 399 for the Minnesota Twins. Redemption. Uh-oh. Did we do it? Gold Standard Rookie Jersey Autographs Double. I'm going to guess Benintendi. Nope. Aaron Judge. Gold Standard Rookie Jersey Autographs Double for the Yankees. Aaron Judge. I knew one was coming out tonight. I just didn't know who. Nolan Arenado Prism. Anthony Alford out of 399 for the Blue Jays. This is definitely the easiest product to get Aaron Judge. Yes. I've gotten sometimes 2 in one break. Out of 999. You are very welcome, my man. Elvis Andrews. Bellinger is a little harder, but I would say he still comes out enough. Out of 25, Matt Chapman for the Oakland Athletics, pink. Another redemption. 2 Judges in 1 box. Chronicles autograph. I'm going to go rough and order. Nope. It's the other Yankee guy. Jordan Montgomery. Chronicles autographs for the Yankees, Jordan Montgomery. Francisco Lindor Prism. And out of 199, Josh Harrison. All right. Chronicles basketball still ending on the bay, guys. Chronicles basketball still ending on the bay. Grab some teams if you can. Love to have you.